Okay, this problem says number 6, but it's really number 8 on your paper. Okay. All right, so 8. If Food Magazine published a list of local restaurants rating, how many restaurants did the Food Magazine surveyed? Ooh. Number of restaurant. Ooh, wow. So there looks like 100 here, plus 50 here, plus 30, plus 20, plus 70, plus 20. Let's add that all together. 100 plus 50 plus 30 plus 20 plus 70 plus 20. That is 290. 290 restaurants. What rating range was achieved by the most restaurants? So this is the most right here. This is the most. So that would be a rate of 1 to 5. Okay. Are there more restaurants that earn a 6 through 5? So this is 6 through 10 or 11 through 15. So there are more at 6 through 10. Look, this is more. What are possible ratings for the restaurant in the second column? What are some possibility rating for the restaurant in the second column? Let me go back. This is a histogram. That's the type here. But question D says, what are possible ratings for a restaurant in this second column? Second column. What do you mean by second column? This is a weird question. I don't even know what second column is. Are they asking about this one? Is this the second column? If this is the second column, we can say it's the rating of 6 through 10. But that's it. Question D is weird. All right, that's it.